Hi guys, welcome to BABUJEE Academy from ALIZAI group of channels. Guys, today again I am welcoming you with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is noise pollution. And today video lecture we will study that what is noise pollution, what are the sources of noise pollution, and how can we control noise pollution. In the previous videos we studied that what is pollution, what are pollutants, and what are the types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution. We have studied them in the previous classes. Now what is noise pollution? So noise pollution is an undesirable and unwanted sound which is not liked by the recipients, create noise pollution and causes a harsh and displeasing effect. So which sound can be termed as noise pollution? That sound which is an unwanted sound, which is not liked by the recipients, create noise pollution and causes a harsh and displeasing effect. Noise pollution can affect our hearing. Now what are the sources of noise pollution? The sources of noise pollution include vehicular noise, noise which is produced by vehicles, industrial noise, noise produced by industries, horn noise, noise produced by horns, oil engine noise, gearbox noise, construction noise, agricultural noise, traffic noise, etc. Now, how can we control noise pollution? What are the measures to take to control noise pollution? These are: vehicular sound can be reduced by covering their engines. Covering the vehicle's engine can reduce vehicular sound, reducing the speeds of vehicles and tires and repairing them on time to reduce noise pollution. Industrial noise can be prevented by covering machines and making industries away from residential areas. Can be helpful to avoid noise pollution. Okay guys, let me summarize today's class. In today's class we studied that noise pollution is an undesirable and unwanted sound which is not liked by the recipients, those who hear it, create noise pollution and cause a harsh and displeasing effect. Noise pollution can damage our hearing power. Sources of noise pollution include vehicular noise, industrial noise, horn noise, oil engine noise, gearbox noise, construction noise, agricultural noise, and vehicles which produce noise, those are also the reasons of noise pollution. Now how can we control noise pollution? Noise pollution can be controlled by covering vehicular engines, reducing speed, using new tires and repairing the vehicles on time can reduce vehicular sound or vehicular noise pollution. Industrial noise pollution can be reduced by covering industrial machines, making industries away from residential areas. Noise pollution can be prevented by these measures. So guys, it was our today video lecture about noise pollution. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button. And also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video.